Hello, welcome to Jupiter Institute of Skill Development.
Let's learn quantitative aptitude tip and tricks for the age questions. Age is assumed to fix period with which further condition will be compared. For example, taking 2000 as fixed year. Basic formula. If the current age is x and n time the age is nx. It is complicated, but we will learn by example. Okay? Raju's present age is 6 years. His brother age is 3 times. How much? 3 times that Raju's age. Find his brother's age after 3 years. Let's. Raju's present is 6 years. After 3 years, Raju's brother age is 6 into 3. Why? Because his brother age is 3 times that of Raju's age. Means Raju's brother's age is 6 into 3. Means 3 times. And after 3 years means plus 3. 18. 6 into 3. 18 plus 3. 21 years. Now his brother's age after 3 years is 21 years. Here is the basic formula. If the current age is x, then age n years later, after n number of years, how much is x plus n? Simple. We will learn by another example. Rajiv age after 15 years will be 5 times of his age 5 years back. Let's understand again. Rajiv age after 15 years means whatever his age is x plus 15 will be 5 times of his age 5 years back. Means x minus 5. Understand? Rajiv age after x plus 5 will be is equal to 5 times of x minus 5. Let's understand in figures. Let Rajiv present age is x years. Means current age is his x years. Rajiv age after 15 years x plus 15. Rajiv age 5 years back is x minus 5. Age after 15 year x plus 15 will be means is equal to 5 times of his age 5 years back. 5 into x minus 5 means 5x minus 5 into 5 25. Now x plus 15 is equal to 5x plus 25. And for x, how it is come? X which is left of is equal to which is going to right, and minus 25 will be going to left, then is equal to it will be 15 like this. This is 15 plus 25 is equal to 5x minus x. Means 5x minus x will be 4x, and 25 plus 15 will be 40. It will be 40. 4x is equal to 40. 4x is equal to 40. 4 will be going opposite side of the equal to. It will be, here it is in multiplication. After going opposite side, it will be in the division. X is equal to 40 by 4, means S is equal to 10 years. Rajiv's current age is 10 years. Now we can prove how. Rajiv age after 15 years will be 5 times. In current age is, we have found it 10 years. After 15 years, what will be? 25. After 15 years, it will be 25. Will be 5 times of his age 5 years back. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 times of his 5 years back. 5 years back is 5. Then 5 times is 25. Means we have proven correctly. If the current age is x, then n years ago is equal to x minus 1. N. Another example we will. The present age of Ram is 1/6 of his father's present age. If the difference between their present age is 35 years, then what is his father's present age? Let's understand and guess. Ram current age is x. His father current age is y. Now what is the logic? Ram is 1/6. 1/6 means 1/6 of his father's present age. Ram's present age we have guessed x, and 1/6 means 1 divided by 6 of his father's age. His father's age we have guessed y, means x is equal to 1 divided by 6 into y. Hence, and the another logic is the difference between their present age is 35 years. Difference means his father's age definitely bigger, means y minus x, his father's age minus Ram's age is equal to 35 years. Now we have some data to calculate. Now what we consider, y minus x is 35. Y minus x. X what is? X is the 1/6 of y. Y means his father's age. Y minus y upon 6. How it is become? One 6 into y. Y into 1. Y upon 6. Okay, means y minus y upon 6 is equal to 35. Now how it will be? Y minus y upon 6, we have no, when there is no division, 6 into y minus y whole divided by 6 will be happen. 6 minus y divided by x plus 6 is equal to 35. Here left side of the 6, left side of the equal to, it is a 6 is the division. We will take it right side, it will be in multiplication. Now here in bracket 6y minus y, it will be 5y. 5y will be is equal to 35 into 6. Y is 42. Now it is become 5. 5 is in multiplication of y, will be gone opposite in the division, means 35 into 6 divided by 5. Here y will be 5 7s are 35 and 7 6 are 42 years. I can say that now we have a clear basic formula regarding age finding. Here one more formula we have and we will understand the same. The age is in ratio AGM-B. AGM-B will be AX and BX. Now what is want to say? The age of Ravi and Rani are the ratio 3 by 3/5. After 9 years, the ratio of their age will become 3:4. Current ratio is 3 by 5, 3/5, and after 9 years it will become 3/4. Find the present age of Rani. Ravi age is 3x. We consider AGM-B will be AX and BX. 3/5 will be 3. Here Ravi is written first, means 3 for Ravi, and Rani for 5, means Ravi's age is 3x. Ravi's age is 3x and Rani's age is 5x. After 9 years, the second logic, after 9 years means after 9 years means 3x plus 9 ratio will become 3/4, means 3x plus 9 divided by 5x by 9. It is like that. Ratio here 3/5 means we can write them like 3x by 5x. It is ratio. After 9 years means we have added 9 3x plus 9 and 5x plus 9 will be, what will be the ratio? 3/4. It is here 3/4. I am writing here 3/4. Okay, but what will be happen? 4 will be in the upper side and 5x plus 9 will be on this side. It is like 4 into 3x plus 9 is equal to 3 into in bracket 5x plus 9. Now what happened? 4 into 3 12x, 4 into 9 36. Here 3 into 5x 15x, 3 into 9 27. We will take x one side and digit one side. 12x minus 15x, hence here we will take with the bigger digit. 12x will be gone opposite side, means 15x minus 12x, and 36 minus 27. 15 minus 12, 3x, and 36 minus 2x, 27, it is 9. X divided is equal to 9, 3 will be go in division. X is 3. Rani's age is 5x. Rani's age is 15 years. Now we can check it is okay, which we have proven. First of all, we have got that Rani's age is 15 years. Okay, and Rani's age is 3 jm 5. 5x means 15. X is equal to 3. Ravi's age is 9, 3x. That's why Ravi's age is 9 and Rani's age is 15. Okay. Then after 9 years, means 9 plus 9, Ravi will be 18 and Rani will be 9 plus 15 plus 9, it means 24. Now 3 jm 4 ratio is available. Yes. How? 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Sorry, 24. Means here x is equal to 3. It means our ratio is being same, like 3 jm 5 ratio. 9 years and 15 years is correct, and after 9 years it will be 18 and 24, and the ratio become 3 jm 4. We can say our calculation is the correct. Thank you for the being part of the tip and tricks of the age calculation.
Your coach Brijesh Panchal is thankful if you watched full video. Like this video, subscribe our channel for educational tips and trick. See you soon.